Goodness, you guys, it is now 2:12. And I literally have been running around like crazy. So I'm just dropping off Dustin at home. We went and ate, and then literally it was like we went to Target and got some stuff there that we needed. We went to another store we needed to get some stuff for Christmas for Clarissa. And then I had to pick up some stuff from a friend. She messaged me and asked if I could drop by and get something. And then just like non-stop. Oh, I went to the pharmacy and they didn't have sharps containers. They were out of sharps containers, and I'm like, ugh, and I don't have time to try to go find another one. He just ate, but I think it's because we're not moving and he's in the sun. I'm waiting for Kaylin to come out so that we can run over and pick up Clarissa from enrichment. So, fun times. I don't think we've had much of a break in the errands today, and I don't really enjoy doing that, just because it makes me feel like kind of frazzled, like I'm just like a chicken with my head cut off. But now we got Monkey, so Monkey is coming, and it's handy because she can help with Maverick. Yeah, he's already happier, so she can help me while I'm driving because I cannot reach him. But yeah, so gonna go get Clarissa. Okay, so I had to stop by my friend's house, and I didn't even like think about it when she messaged me and was just like, hey, can you drop by and pick up something that I have for you? And I was like, okay, sure, whatever, because I was out running errands anyway. So I popped by, and then I get in there and she's got this bag. She's like, oh, do you like grapefruits? And I'm like, not really, but can give them to like my kids or something. And then she's like, okay, and guess what else I got in here? And I'm like, I don't know. And basically, I look in the bag and I just start laughing because it's tacos. And I know that sounds crazy, but back when Maverick was born, back in January, she had told me that when, you know, kind of the usual crowd of people that want to come and help and bring over goodies and stuff, after that dies down, she was gonna bring me tacos because I love tacos. They're like one of my favorite things. And her and I have like this favorite place that we get tacos from. And so she was like, I'm gonna bring you tacos after a few weeks after Maverick is born. And basically here we are in December and it just hasn't happened yet. Bless her heart. Like, she is the sweetest. I love her so much, and she is totally like intended to a bunch of times, and things just always come up and she can't bring them, and she always feels so bad. And it's like, it really doesn't bother me at all. So it was just so funny. Like, she seemed so excited to be giving me these tacos. It was the cutest thing. So I have some tacos waiting for me at home that I'm excited to go eat. But I also have Monkey here, continuing with story time. So yeah, story time. Are we real vloggers now? Are we real ones yet? Story time. So anyways, we were out running errands today, and one of the errands that we did, we stopped and re-enrolled her for school.
You did?
I did.
Thank you.
So you restart on Monday.
On Monday?
On Monday. And so there's only like 2.5 days before winter break. But but you'll be back for 2.5 days.
Surprise!
Even in and they put you back in your old classes. So your schedule, your schedule's the same.
I'm in Mr. Dance class again?
Yep.
Yes.
Yep, your classes are the same.
I was hoping, because I like being in that homeroom, because I was so used to being in there since I was in there for like 3 or 4 months. And I was like, oh wait, but when I go back I might not be in the same one, because like apparently people left and then like they got new students, so then like apparently the class was full or something, but I was hoping that I'd get it anyway.
Yeah, when I was there enrolling, they asked if you liked having her for homeroom, and I said yes. As far as I know, you enjoy her homeroom.
Thank you.
And so they put you back.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
It's so cool. And I already know where everything is for that class, so it's fine.
Yep, so just gotta make sure your stuff is in line and set your alarm.
Okay.
And you're going back to school. You're excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. So she's gonna go back to public school. And
you seem upset.
I'm not upset. I'm just like sad because I know that we're gonna go do fun stuff, and it kind of bums me out that you're not going with us, but
Yeah, it's a little sad.
yeah. I've always told her that it is her decision whether or not she goes. Like, I don't hide that I would prefer that she's home with us to go do fun things and like and all that, and to be able to like dive more into the stuff that she's interested in than she has time to do at school. But I've never made the decision for her. Like, we had to pull her because of Maverick and there was like extenuating circumstances, but I've always made the choice about whether or not she's in school, like in general, her decision, and told her she could decide. And I never like intended to like make her feel pressured or anything by letting her know my preference. But yeah, so when she said the first time that she wanted to go back, we enrolled her like the same day when she told me she wanted to go. And we went and bought all the supplies and everything all in that one day. You remember that? That was like crazy.
And then I went to school the very next day.
The next day. So I do support public school and her right to go to public school. I am not one of the homeschool moms that's like, you're gonna homeschool whether you like it or not. That's not me. So, and then she's been saying that she wanted to go back, and I told her to really think about it, because this is a good opportunity to,
well,
you know.
It took like almost the whole week to think about it, but I forgot about it for like almost the whole week, so only like 2 days, but you know, I thought about it.
So yeah, so I just asked her to take time to really think about it and weigh the pros and cons, and you know, just be sure about her decision. And so she said she wanted to go back, and so we went in and re-enrolled her, and that's what she's gonna do. So we will see what that means. That probably means you're gonna see less of her adorable little face in the videos, because she's gonna be at school. So that's what it is. Anyways.
What did you say?
So it is what it is.
It sounded like you just went, and I was like,
I just speak Simlish now.
Oh, yes. That everybody understands that. You'll have little speech bubbles popping above your head so we know what you're saying.
With pictures of things.
Yes.
And then I just gesticulate a lot. And then get like really animated. Well, I decided, since today's video was kind of like, I don't know, not lame, but a little bit lame. It was just like, hey, I ran errands. Woo.
Woohoo, I got tacos too.
Hey, tacos are not lame. Anyways.
Tacos are not what?
I don't even know this kid. I said tacos are not lame.
I know.
Tacos are amazing. Friends who buy you tacos are good friends. Anyways.
Your friend gives you tacos for your birthday, they're a keeper.
Not even for your birthday, for just like
in general. If they're like, hey, do you want me to buy you some tacos?
I'm bringing you some tacos. That's a keeper. Okay?
You keep them.
Be a keeper. Buy your friends some tacos. Okay? Like at Christmas, just go surprise somebody with some tacos today. Okay? That's my takeaway. Anyways, I decided to, at the end of this video, include 2 lunches that I had packed for the girls. Their Christmas themed lunches that I had packed them for enrichment the last couple of weeks. I didn't post them because it seemed weird to just post a video of one lunch, but I'd been recording them because I was gonna try to do like a compilation, but I think I'm just gonna put that at the end of this video. So it'll be 2 different lunches, and since they only go 1 day a week, yeah, that's for 2 weeks of lunches.
Oh my gosh, I tickled his cheek and he freaked out.
So I hope you guys like those. If you want to see what the girls get in their lunches, go ahead and stay tuned. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. If you are not subscribed already, please consider subscribing so you get all of our content and join our family. If you do, please make sure you comment down below and introduce yourself so that I can welcome you. And also, give a thumbs up on this video if you would like to receive tacos from someone in your life today. I'm just saying.
Yeah,
If you think tacos are bomb and you just want somebody to bring you some tacos, thumbs up this video. Okay,
or
bye.
as I would say, cheeky thumbs up.
Technically, that's not her saying though.
Yeah, I know.
She stole that.
She did. She stole that from Claire.
She's gonna get me copyright strike. Okay.
Yeah.
Claire's gonna copyright strike my channel. Here's Clarissa's box. This is actually one of my favorite boxes to use for her. It's called a Yumbox, and it's all one piece. Let me take the napkin out. It's all one piece, and it just has a hinge, and it's super easy for her to open and close by herself, and there's no parts that she has to remember. And so she's just gonna get some tomatoes, a gingerbread man shaped sandwich, some chips, and guacamole. I found these fun little snowflake shaped pretzels that are covered in like yogurt, and then some snap peas, and then she'll get a water, and then I also have these cute little napkins that I just grabbed from the dollar store. It's the elf made me do it. That'll go in there. And then Kaylin's is pretty much the same thing, except she has penguins. I don't know if you can really tell because they're bunched together. They're a cutter. Looks like this. And I got it at the grocery store. You can get them on Amazon. You can just look up sandwich cutters. So she got some penguin-shaped sandwiches. And then she also has guacamole and chips and tomatoes and snap peas and those same little snowflake pretzels. And she's also going to get a water and a napkin. So that is going to be their lunch for today. I also gave Clarissa, because she didn't get one of these little Christmas tree things for her dip, I gave her a little Christmas tree pick so that she could have something a little fun in there too. She doesn't usually get picks. This is her first time, so I reminded her not to throw it away. So we'll see if it comes home or not later. Okay, this is her water bottle. I was saying she was going to have water that went with her. So this is her water bottle. And then for snack, I just peeled an orange for her. They don't have a super long time for snack, so this is more than enough. And then her space lunchbox, because she really likes space. This one is for Clarissa. This one is the one that works the best for her lunches and kind of the portions that she eats. And she actually doesn't even usually eat all of this, I think just because they don't get enough time, because she's a little bit on the slower side with her eating. So anyways, in this one we have yogurt. This one's the strawberry yogurt. This is what we have for the kids. I don't really eat a lot of yogurt. Neither does Dustin. So we get the Lycos 000, and it has quite a bit of protein in it. If I remember correctly, it's like, yeah, 15 grams of protein. So I just opened hers and put it in here for her because it just saves her a little bit of time. And then we pack some bamboo silverware to eat it with. And then we are doing like the homemade lunch bowl sort of idea. So we have some crackers and some Swiss cheese and some ham. Then we also have, of course, you know, your Christmas satsuma. I already peeled and segmented hers. Some cucumber moons. And then she requested that we have a little Rudolph pick. I just save, a lot of these come like on like cupcakes, or people have them at parties and stuff. And I just save them for lunches. I like them. I don't know. I think it just makes them a little bit cute, and it takes like zero effort to put pick in there. And then for her treat today, because that's kind of what I use this for, it's either a dip or a treat. She's having a few mint M&Ms. So she'll be really excited because she does not really get to eat M&Ms that often. And then this is Kaylin's lunchbox. It has bigger, you can see bigger portions than this does. And so she has a salad with cucumbers and tomatoes. And this is a little dressing cup. I just put some ranch in there for her. And I picked that one just because it said Sweet and Merry Friends on it. So it made me think of Christmas. Because I have a bunch of different ones I could have picked up. And then she also has crackers, cheese, and ham. I just gave her a couple more than Clarissa. She also has her little satsuma and some M&Ms. They actually have the same amount of M&Ms. It's just the container thing is weird. And then, yeah, I like to use these little silicone cups to help like kind of take up a little bit of space if I'm not going to need all of it, because it feels better when it looks full. So the little cups help, and like color. So these ones I got just at like the dollar store. Super easy. And then this lunchbox is a Lunchbots Cinco, if you guys want to pick one up. This is a stainless steel container. It is not, like the dividers do not keep liquid separate, which is why her yogurt is still right there. And then why she has this like little dip cup. And then I just got these cute little napkins at the dollar store as well to go in their lunches. Okay, and then I had to stop and grab them because I realized I didn't have them. Thank you, Monkey, for grabbing those. So they usually take these. They're the Honest Kids juices, and this one is Cherry Go Round. And then for snack, they do have snack time at school. Clarissa likes these peanut butter crackers. And then Kaylin requested to take, well, she didn't request to take it today, but she requested that we get more of these granola bars. So she should like it for snack. And it actually, if I remember right, had quite a bit of protein in it. It was like 10 grams of protein in the bar. So she should be okay with that one. And then that is everything.